Good morning, it is Saturday the 24th of August. My name is Liam and I film myself every day. Today we are going to be baking a cake on stream, but we still need to get a whole bunch of stuff for said cake. So let's go get stuff. Go get stuff? Let's go get shit. On the way to the store. And I'm kind of glad my mother did leave yesterday, because she would not be coping with this heat right now. My watch says 29 degrees. Not fun. This cake will basically have to go instantly in the fridge, because it'll just melt. Yeah. Aye, thankfully we're not needing all that much. Just bits and bobs. Got the bulk of the ingredients. These are kind of just extras, but also gives us a bit of a walk. Next stop, Nettle. We have actually made it to Nettle. The sun didn't kill us, but now we're looking for some cream.
Were there different colors?
Maybe one is a different production date.
Possibly.
I don't know. But we're getting cream. Managed to actually get some cream, but we can't come to Nettle without also getting some garlic bread. And yes, there's some ice cream there. It's too hot. Mission successful, and we've got ice cream to celebrate the mission being a success. It's an awful excuse, but it works. You'll never guess where we are. Back at the packing station.
We picked up a box for him. It is part of the anniversary present, but also because he loves it. You guys will know exactly what it is once you see it.
Wait, what the fuck? What the fuck? I think you said 2. There's 3 in here.
I never said 2. I never specified. I said I ordered Grogu.
So we got 712. I've got a database full of them. Oh hell yeah. He's concentrating. Floating the frog. And then probably the coolest one of them all, I think. At least this wave of Grogu pops is when Grogu protected them both from the big flame ball. That was so epic. Like, I actually think I cried like during that bit. It was like he's finally embracing his powers. Thank you very much. Now you might be asking, you've got loads. What's the plan with them? Back in Scotland, I did have them displayed on my bookshelf. However, with plans to move over to Germany, I thought, why not start moving some of them now? To just make the eventual travel that little bit easier, because I know that's going to be stressful. So what we're going to do is, we've got a bunch of them, like, that was like, if we take that one away, I got like this over in one trip. So what we're going to do is, Anna ordered some of these like a couple of weeks back. But we got these really useful boxes, so we're going to put them in there to basically store them, keep them nice and safe, away from any dust, smoke damage, anything like that. That's the plan. And we've also got some of our Lego investments that we're going to pop in there as well. So I think that's the plan for just now. And just like that, we got 2 of the boxes up and away. We do still have a third one to go.
Everything that was in there.
Those are like our Lego sets, and those ones are like investment sets. So we're gonna like arrange them to make sure they're in boxes, nice and dust free, nice and secure, away from ladybugs, because it's ladybug season.
And they stink.
So we didn't want them going near it. So time to do that. Time lapse incoming. Well, that's not ideal. The boxes we've got are like slightly too small for a couple of the sets we've got. Because we've got the Disney's Up house as well as the Polaroid, and they're like a centimetre too big, if that, not even that.
No, because the dimensions of the boxes should have fit. So I assume
It's because
the outside.
it's because of the shape of the box.
Yeah.
Like it's a typical like they say it's 50 centimeters, but when you actually break it in, it's like closer to 49 or something. So we might have to come up with another solution for that. But regardless, the bulk of the sets that we've got, which primarily brickheads, are nice and secured away, so that is good. Now we just got to deal with ours. Adjustments have been made, and in the chaos room, like in there, we got the investment sets, at least the brickheads mainly, as well as all the kind of cardboard and the such of sets we've built, except for we want to like deconstruct them, put them back in the box. Yeah. Also, if there's ever a point where we're like, do you know what, we're bored of this set, we'll sell it. I don't see that happening with us because we're pretty, like, if we want that set, like we want it. It's not like, oh, that could be fun. But aye, as for the bigger sets, that's gonna be a nightmare. But we'll figure something out. Yeah.
At least we've got them like properly stored away now.
Yeah. It's like they're out the way. They're not just in a random cupboard. Gather around dust. I have no idea.
Because I kind of keep moving from A to B.
Yeah. We'll figure shit out. Solutions have been sorted. Everything is away.
The thing is, there's like loads of space up there for another box as well.
And we do have space up there as well. I don't know if we maybe get like an individual larger box, like measure up there. See what space we've got up there for larger sets.
The thing
Kind of
is,
thing.
there's not all that much space.
I know.
The handle is taking up a lot of that.
Let's see what happens. There's ideas being thrown around. We don't know what's going to happen, but what we do know is going to happen is we're going to chill for a little bit before getting ready for stream, because we're baking cake tonight, as I said at the start of the vlog, and also presumably the title. This is just kind of filler in between. Aye. It is now time to get set up for stream, and that means the PC through to the kitchen. Don't know if you can tell with the lighting, but we are live in the kitchen. The most jank setup. To be fair, it's better than the last time. But
I was gonna say it is
the
better.
PC did there. Yeah. Wish us luck. I've interrupted the time lapse in hope. Well, you guys just seen that, right? That's insane. I might have to kind of like hold it here for a bit, but I think you guys can see that. In fact, I'm gonna switch to the wide angle. Okay, so the wide angle, I don't know if that's doing as well. That's insane. Holy shit. It's literally like I can't get this all together. It's just like every single side. That is... wow. Whoa. That is a big one. Jeez. Jeez. I'm gonna try to go like this, because it seems to be more over this area. Wow. Like, it's literally... oh, I actually seen, like, proper bolt there. I don't know if you guys caught that. Holy sh... I've never seen weather like this. Like, there's no actual thunder. It's just, like... the lightning. Wow. I'm so impressed. Thing is, right now I'm streaming and I've got my wireless microphone on, so streamer literally hearing everything I'm saying. And that's why they should go follow the vlog channel. Jesus. I need to get back to stream. This is ridiculous. Well, I've come back inside, so you're going back in the time lapse. After many hours, mainly because of the ganache. Lessons learned for next time. The cake is finished. How cool does that look? You've absolutely smashed it. I cannot take any credit for this. Also, tree bloods. Bird one, and then bird two is over here. So yeah, that is the hospice themed cake complete. Pictures will be getting posted on Instagram and inside Discord. By the time you guys see this, that will already be out. Bye. Anna's done an amazing job. Thank you very much. She's exhausted. I'm going to look after her now. Give her some treats. Sit down at the TV. Maybe a massage. We'll see. It is the next morning. My phone died last night. That time lapse ate all my battery. So I'm going to go start today. Make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow day. Yep.